Today our lesson is about identifying equal groups. Yesterday we talked about equal groups and we said that equal groups are groups with the same number of items in each. So we're going to use that knowledge on how to use equal groups in making equation and solving multiplication word problems. Let's have this problem as an example. Miss Nemes made 3 cookie trays. Each tray had 6 cookies. How many cookies did Miss Nemes bake? So in this problem, since there's no model, we need to make our own model to know the groups and the items in each group. Just like what we've talked about, groups are usually represented by containers. It could be in packs, it could be in trays, it could be in boxes, or sometimes groups might represent the people involved in the problem. In this case, we have 3 cookie trays. So that will serve as our equal group. So let me just underline that one. So there are 3 cookie trays, which will represent my group. So let me draw 3 big circles. 1, 2, and 3. Now we need to figure out how many items are in each group. The problem said each tray had 6 cookies. So it's telling me that I should put 6 cookies in each tray. You could either put 6 marks in each circle or you can just put 6. So since 6 is kind of big number, it might mess me up if I will keep on putting lines. I'm just going to put 6 in each circle. So I have 1, 2, and 3. Now this model is showing me that there are 3 groups of 6. What equation can I come up with this? Yesterday we said that in making groups, you always begin with the number of groups that you have.
Ms. Hart, can you please come to the front office? Ms. Hart.
Okay, so since there are 3 groups, my first factor would be 3 multiplied to the items in each group, which is 6. So now I have 3 times 6. Now to get the product or the answer to this equation, we have to count off everything in the circles. So let's have 6 first for the first group. Now having 6 in your head, you're going to count 6 more. 6 in your head, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the next number should be 12. Next one, 12 in your head, then add another 6. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So after counting off, now we know that 3 groups of 6 will give you 18. So 3 times 6 is equal to 18. There you go. Please remember, whenever you have a word problem and there's no model, you have to make your own. Begin with the groups and then identify the items in each group, do your equation, and then count off the items to get the product or the answer to your equation.